Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 13 and let me show you how to add fingerprint. First open the settings, then find and select fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Select fingerprint unlock and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. As you can see, it can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Now just wait a couple of seconds. And now draw the pattern that you want to have, then re-enter it just to confirm. And it's time to add your fingerprint. The sensor is located on power button, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.